What up, Kim? Nate, PHP out for anniversary. Just for you, Nate. Just for you. All right. We should be good. All right, here we go. Not live on Kick. I am not live. Maybe I should be. How can I be praying for you? I'm leaving for Dallas Sunday. Laracon. Hopefully we can sell a lot of coffee. What happened to my music? Unexpected error. Unable to load. Okay, let's reload. Hello Monster there. Cats. That song was good though. It's a shame. I'm wearing a black shirt. But it's a little worn. Slow and clunky with the Neovim logo. It's an old one, but a goodie. Last time I touched PHP was about 18 minutes ago. Nice. Facades. I need Envim shirts to flex at work. You'll be seeing more of those, yeah. All right, so here's basically the scoop. I don't know how to turn this into dark mode. Is this? Okay, so I forgot everything that I learned. Laravel. Where is my live wire shenanigans, chat? Where is a live wire? This is what we're looking for here. Did you think programmers should smoke cigars to program better? Personally speaking, I've never smoked, so I wouldn't know if it makes me program better, but it's not for me. Reliable components. That's right. I can make them with Artisan, right? Can I not? You can leverage our breeze suggestions for jump track applications of bodies, scaffold, applicant. No, I don't think I want that. Laravel. Oh, we're Laraveling right now. Both inertia breach gap, Laravel, modern blah blah build pledged. Okay. Inertia render. Is this what I want? Please don't ever start. It's a pain to quit. I don't plan on starting. I've gone this far without touching one, so I'm not really interested. Oh, this looks kind of fun. Let's try this one. Inertia page corresponds to viewer react component. Oh, wait, but viewer react. We don't need viewer react. We can just do this with plain old JavaScript. Livewire. I think I want to use this one. Return view livewire.counter. That's right. We want to do something like this. Okay. Then where does this go? Where does the template go again? I forgot where that goes. Yeah, it's okay. We need a little bit of not just plain JS. We do need to talk a little bit to our server. What am I making on Monday? Terminal.shop. Playing basketball against Laracon organizers. We need to make an overlay.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
Oh, we got him, chat. We got him. Look at this. All right, saved.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
Sorry, just quick detour. Got him. We got him, boys. We got him. Oh, we got him. We got him, chat. Oh, man. Dax and Prime are roasting him right now. Come on, Adam. Adam, how did you fall for one of the oldest? Oh, man. We got him. Classic Sugandis. He didn't see that coming. I don't know how he didn't see that coming. I thought it was going to be too obvious, but then I was like, it's Adam. So I think we're safe. Pretty sure we're safe because Adam. What? Devisal's music is just empty. Nice. Adam too pure. I also saw Thor got Prime on Google SEMA. Yeah, he got him on that one too. What's up, everybody? Yo, Code, thank you. And Kubitsu. And Nate, I do thank you for the sub as well. Is right PHP let us know you're being held hostage in Japan? We're going to Laracon. So I need to find where did David put the example of the one that he wanted? Oh my goodness, we have so much good stuff coming. I cannot wait for this. Where did the overlay go? All right. This is what we're trying to make here. We're going to try and make this. Okay, chat? We're going to make this with a little null star in the middle. Okay, Mo's actually his favorite. It's true. You're back from Laravel. They never responded. We just kill PHP. No, it's great now. We're going to make this. We need to make this situation here, right? And we need to make some stuff that someone can control in the overlay. Pokey W, indeed. Pokey W. I cannot believe I just got Adam so good, though. Sugandhi sweet. Sorry, what now? Sugandhi sweet. You shouldn't leak a Slack URL. It opens your space up to attacks. Like what? Terminal Shop as sponsor? What do you mean as a sponsor? No, we're playing. Is it? Yeah, it's from his movie. Well-contained organization which could be used to abuse a vulnerability. Fortunately for us, it's just our group chat, so it's okay. I think the police will PHP mentioned, so we're gonna make this, chat. The world's best language. We're not a sponsor, we're getting sponsored on the overlay terminal shop. Yeah, right here. Yeah, of course. Okay, so we need to make this. We need to make this part. We also need to leave room here because we're gonna have Scott and Wes from Syntax FM commentating. When coffee? Good question, Nightshade. Good question. Can I just say I love how many people didn't understand your levels I over and thought you were a cyberbully? That's true. Many such cases. As if Levels videos where he is like making a random website, B2B, B2C, SaaS is the same thing as a global enterprise cybersecurity customer. Who are we playing against? The Laravel Laracon organizers. Get a company Lambo once you ship, or just you? Or it's a good question. Next, good question. How many customers will lose out because Skillshare not being able to buy from Terminal Shop? Also a good question. I'm waiting for Adam to respond. Okay, all right, so that's what we need to make, right, chat? So basically, if we think about it, what are the parts that we need to do? Okay, we have a big rectangle like this, okay? We need to do... So I'm thinking we can do something like Scott is going to be here. Wes is going to be here, like this. Then we'll do... Should we just do like a scoreboard along the bottom? If we do this right here with like a marquee, or no? I'll ask. Can you send me the overlay you're thinking of, but with, or maybe it should be more like this. We do this. This is the game. And we put like something, you know, Laracon 2024. Something like this here, right? Rectangle is missing angles. True. God wants a person. No, they're going to be remoting in. So we'll have their videos right here. But we're going to make it all in sync and everything. It's like for internal chat, though. This seems kind of off-brand. For connecting to other, like, external connections. Ask Grok to design your overlay. Smart. We have a hard time coming with ideas, and here we go. From one wild thing to another. Yeah. So then we'll have this is the basketball game. Here's Scott. Here's Wes. Right? And then we'll need to have like this is where we do term, losers, and then like a little score and a little score, and probably put the null star logo in between here with like null star. Okay. Are you going to use HTMX? No, probably not. We'll probably just use Laravel and Livewire, I think. Like this. Yeah. That seems legit, right? What else would I need to... Oh, and then maybe this needs to be slightly shorter so we can have a... Maybe this should all get moved up like this. This can get moved up to here. Like this. And then we do... marquee inside of this. Marquee of ads. Hog. Should I modify the Smash Mouth song? Hey, now you're an all-star? Null star? Maybe. You make it auto-detect Adam and blur him. That would be good. That would be a good idea. On Monday, oh, let me add commands. Edit today. On Monday, we will be live streaming from Laracon the terminal.shop team versus the Laracon team in a game of 5v5 basketball. I'm making the overlay in Laravel. That's what we're doing today.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
Yo, Zix, can we make an overlay for SH as well? Well, we may make some other things to do some other goofiness. What time is the basketball game? That's a great question. Get Sentry. I think they've got the exact time and date right here. Right here. This is the meetup. So if you need the time, then it's here. Yep. Right here. And if you're in the area or you're going to the conference, then you can come. That link looks sus. It looks very sus. I agree. So there you go. I have tried Zed. Yep. Dude, I cannot believe we got Adam so good on this. Thoughts? It's very cool. I really like the team. Maybe we should have just put this as all it is today. Just a link to this tweet. Chat, this video has been going so viral. Where did it just go? What? Oh, is it or it moved back up to here again? Sense.
Enter and it's get deploys. It pushes to the.
And oh, chat, I just uploaded this to YouTube in short form. Thanks, Dan. And everyone's commenting like, "Is this real?" Accidentally spreading misinfo. They all think he's really CrowdStrike intern. Oh, let me go to the comments for it. This doesn't seem real. What a world we live in. Is this real or AI? No, not AI, but not a CrowdStrike intern either. That's correct. This is just a meme. It's not real about CrowdStrike. He's the CTO. Oh man, that's a good one. That would have been so good. Oh, okay. I don't know if Level saw it yet. I hope he didn't get mad at me. I hope he knows that I'm joking. I was literally just DMing him about the interview because I thought it was really good, and so we were chit-chatting about my stuff. About that and some other stuff. And then I thought I was only like halfway through when I messaged him. And then I posted this when this came up, and so hopefully he's not mad. Hopefully he knows that I still love him. So I broke my top metal. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't think there's anything wrong with it for your own project. I actually think it's dope. Like for your own project, I think you should just do that for a lot of stuff. Like it's good. And I was just barely too late to catch the game. Oh, that stinks, Monty. Yeah. So, okay, so this is what we need to make, right? This is what we need to make. And then separately from this, zoop, we also need to make a page where we can do like, you know, it says term, and then it says like +1, +2, +3, right? We need to make this for both sides. So that the person running OBS can actually like change the score and everything, right? So we'll add some nice little things here today. We can see how far we can get. Probably doing static site generator stuff. What do you mean? What does a unit test for a personal blogging look like? Make sure it's not returning all 400s or 500s when you open it again. None of my 0 users will care. Yeah, we do. We should get a bunch of jokes that run in the bottom too. I have a list. Oh, maybe yes. Okay, so chat, I gotta remember then how we do this. Okay, start here. I'm starting here. I clicked it. Let's go. I don't know if we need this. We'll just run it anyways. Okay. Create a Livewire component. Sure. Whoops. Congratulations, you made your first Livewire component. Woohoo! Counter PHP. Nice. Counter blade. This one doesn't do anything. Oh, right. We have to add something in it. Places contents with the following. They need a cool copy button here, don't you guys think? Guys, don't you think they're missing something there? I feel like they're kind of missing something. All right. TS install blade. What did I have to do before for this? Oh, that's right. I made a whole PHP plugin. Holy cow, I forgot. I forgot that I wrote a whole PHP plugin. That's right, chat. That's right. Okay. Let's see. We'll just try this real quick. We'll just try this. Just try it real quick. Tannenbaum. Laravel artist tools are so good. I actually think it's pretty good. PHP, greater than OCaml. Do you only write Vim plugins in your life? Yes. That's why I'm writing PHP right now. Just one more plugin, I promise. Mom. Just one more plugin, I promise. Okay, one more plugin. One more plugin. Let's actually put this here. If not p call require PHP and return end. Okay. Don't tell me next we'll see a new PHP compiler in some obscure language. Bro, we'll ship after one more plugin. Just one more plugin. One more plugin. One more plugin. Oops. All right, we just gotta set up a few things here because I forgot everything about this language. Let's go back to Blade. Beautiful. That is some good looking Blade code right there. Okay. What theme is that? I'm too lazy to find it in config. Groove Buddy from my Color Buddy repo. So you got to install Color Buddies and you do color scheme Groove Buddy. Okay. So now if we go to, oh, we haven't used this thing yet. We haven't used it yet. We haven't used it yet. We haven't used it yet. Register a route. Route. Register a route. Route. Counter. Wait. No. I can just do this. It says, I don't know where counter is. Boom. Now you do. Now you do. Let's go to counter. Composer, layout page, components, layouts, app. I never made a layout app. Right. This is the one that we need to make. Okay. We run get me a layout app, and then we can do this. Let's generate with the following contents. Nice. Okay, so now when I go back to here and I refresh. Okay, nice. Did you set up all PHP LC some in 30 seconds? Yes. Crazy how I was oh my goodness. Oh, Will, I didn't know that was you. Nice. Oh, nice. Then yes, Will. We'll have some good owns right here. Will King in the chat, everybody. Oh, this is gonna be so good, chat. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so now, chat, we have counters. Look at this. Counter. Counters. Okay, that's good. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. He's the W King, chat. All right. So the next thing we need to figure out, does anybody know how I can do something where let's say I have two of these pages, right? So let's say I have this counter here, and then I have this counter here, right? How can I make these be in sync in Laravel? How can I make this plus make something happen here? How do I do this? There's got to be some message thing. No, not an iframe. No. Level set PHP and jQuery will make me millions with window messaging. Tables and iframes with polling. I know we can do it with WebSockets, but there's not like there's got to be something inside of here that can do this. Reverb. Oh boy, am I gonna pull in a whole new? It does not. It can be just a hack, chat. It doesn't have to be good. Kafka event bus. We are not doing Kafka. Laravel Echo / real answer. Laravel Echo? Laravel Echo. Is that a thing too? Broadcasting. Ooh, nice. That's what we need. This is all we need. By default, 3 server-side broadcasting driver for you to choose from. Oh, nice. They're included. Echo and reverb, it's all WebSockets. Nice. All of your application's event broadcasting configuration is stored in config broadcasting PHP. Okay, well, that's good. It makes sense that we're going to use broadcasting because this is a sports announcement channel. So that makes sense. Lambo mentality. By default, broadcasting not enabled. Okay. Install broadcasting. There are no commands defined in the install namespace. That didn't work. That didn't work, chat. Why didn't that work? I copy pasted it. Oh, I already have a config broadcasting. I already have this. Oh, because I did the Laravel scaffolding thing already. When running this, you'll be prompted to follow Laravel reverb. Of course, you may also reverb here. Pusher channels. If you plan to broadcast pusher channels. No, I don't want to do that. I think we want to use reverb. Laravel Echo is a JavaScript library that makes it painless to subscribe to channels, listen to events by your server-side broadcasting driver. We will install Pusher.js since reverb uses this. No! Oh, we can do Livewire poll. Okay, let's do poll. How do I do this? How do I do that then? How do I do polling? It's just update score. Yeah. And there's not going to be any other clients. It's just going to be us running locally. So I just am making an overlay that the broadcaster can control on a side screen, basically. Counter. Okay, we'll go back to here. Laravel search poll. No, on Livewire. I do that wrong every time. Poll. Boom, basic usage. Livewire subscriber count, auth, users, subscribers, count. Okay. Subscribers, count. Div wire poll. Okay, I'm following. Counter. H1 total count. H1. And then inside of here, I say wire poll like this. And now, when we do this, can I say, like static or something like this? Total count is 0. And then can I go total, count plus like this? How do I do this? How do I make a global variable that this will work? Shouldn't some HTMX do for something that's simple? Yeah, but chat, it's for Laracon. Static inside the class. Okay, got it. Cool. Okay, so now if we go back to here, we do this. Total count. I thought view. Do I need to go... Do I remember how to do this? Do I remember how to do this? I don't. Do I remember how to do this? Count. This count. Total count. Oh, I see. Because it's a static. So it looks different. It looks different. Whoops. Total count is not found on component counter. What? Oh, I gotta go. I see. This is illegal. I see now. I see. Everything's coming clear to me now. But why does it keep going back to 1? Oh, wait. Did I do it? I did total count. No, I did count and total count. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right at all, chat. I want to do it with a global variable that exists. I have to put total count in a database or a cache or something. Okay, what's the easiest cache I can do? Cache. Obtaining a cache instance. User controller. Cache get key. Memcache. Cache put count. Cache. From facades. Increment. Total count. Does it default to 0? Is it almost cache? Get. It feels like turn on register globals in your php.ini. What? No, we'll do this way. It's fine. Okay, so now I pick this, 73, 73. Nice. Okay, sweet. That's all we need, chat. That's all we need. That's all we need. Okay, we're done. We finished. Okay, back it up. Call me Levels.io. We shipped this. Well, I can just put this in like route, right? Cargo add left pad. Put not set. Oh, wait, what? +1. Put not set. Where? What? What are you guys saying? Can I do this at the top? You were typing. Well, I was just looking at what my values are. Put. What is the this will override it, right? So if I do this, then won't it work? It will be dead. Yeah, okay, so that's not what we want, obviously. Where can I put this though? Can I put this? Do I have like a startup? Do I have a startup? Like, does web only get run once or something? Then it'll be, I want like startup of my server. Startup of my server. To set it to 0 at the beginning. Because it looks like when I do this, server starts do all the singletons. Each request runs the entire framework. You can put that in app, service, provider. See how these are one off from each other? I don't want that. Oh, that's just because I'm stupid. I just put count as 1 to start with. Okay, never mind. We're good. That's I don't need to then. Then it's fine. Okay, so we refresh the page. Oh, how long does this cache last for? Developers. Forever. Oh, cool. Okay, that's fine with me. We'll just make a reset button. We'll just make a reset button. Cache put total count 0. Boom. Talk about it with matter. Oh, reset count. Dee pow. Beep 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 pow. Okay, that's easy, chat. It's so easy. Did a design based on your mock-up. Ooh. Yes, this is like basically what I'm thinking. This idea right here. Yep. Like this idea right here. We're going to do this thing. We're going to basically do this. This is exactly what we're going for. I like this background idea. That's a good idea, though. It's a good idea. This page doesn't have to look good because it's just us. Okay. But we're going to go like this, basically. Okay, so that's good. So now we have everything we need to do the 2 pages, right? So if we go back to here, we like do this, right? And we undo this. Now we press this. I don't know how often it pulls, but it's like close enough. You know what I'm saying? Like that's good enough for what we need to do. It'll just be +2, right? Are you playing basketball in PHP? Oh, almost, yeah. What up, Rio? 2.5 seconds. Oh, can I make it? How can I change that? Because we can make it way faster. I'm the only person. You know what I mean? It can do once a second, once every half second. I don't care. Probably in config, poll, somewhere in config. There's got to be a million things in config. View, poll. Have I tried Python before? I wrote it professionally. So we can get the PHP dunks. Unfortunately, I'm too short. Config, cache, config, cache. Poll. Oh no, we don't need to change anything with the config. It's fine. 2 seconds. Or with I was just wondering if I can make the polling a little faster. We can just ask ChatGPT, it's fine, it'll know. The custom duration on the wire poll elements. Oh really? Okay. How to set poll frequency in Laravel Blade. Poll dot 100 milliseconds. Okay. That's pretty easy. Just mutate your height. I've been trying, but I'm too much of a functional Andy. Okay, well, that's stupid. Good job, ChatGPT. You'll take my job. Wire poll dot 100 ms. Like this, you're saying? Refresh. Oh, nice. Yeah. Nice. OCaml Genie Rust Tutor. Is that not what you were going for, Jeremy? Chat, it's for Laracon. Hit today to find out why. $100 totally won't like. There's only one user. It doesn't matter. It's just us locally. It's literally gonna be this situation. It's gonna be this situation. Okay, this is the situation we want. Tomorrow FM, you know it. Relax, guys. It's PHP. Relax, guys. How did we do a Livewire component? Make Livewire overlay. Okay, boom.
Oh my goodness! I actually died of Ligma.
Actually, speaking of people dying of Ligma. Oh, not this one, but this picture is great. That's not the picture I was thinking of. Adam. Oh, here you go, Defy. Here you go. This one's for you, buddy. Mark Command doesn't work. It does. It tells you worst podcast I've ever listened to. Shake my head. No, it's Slack.
Your Bluetooth device
We're a
is
Slack
ready
kind
to
of company
pair.
now. Nullstar trading cards. Oh, I cannot believe we didn't make NFTs of our trading cards. Shoot. We could have rug pulled so hard. Somehow not a terminal messaging app. Well, we may have some fun surprises coming up, though.
Recursive,
Is that the Rusty Crag?
OCaml is actually my favorite.
All right, so now what we need to do is we should have overlay. The master doesn't talk yet. Ooh, I like that. Blade. Okay, so we've got our counter here. And now we've got this one. What I want to do now is I want to say, H1. Wow, what an overlay.
Hello, IT.
Right, and then I want to take the same thing we did here. And I want to go to here, and I want to go to overlay here. And I want to go like this. And I want to go total count. Cache get total count. Yes. And we will use this one, I'm pretty sure, right? Was this the one we did last time? Okay, great. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, so now when we're here and we have these two windows open, right? This one's on overlay, which we haven't switched yet, so we need to go back to our route web here. We go like this, and we go like this, and we put overlay, and we put overlay, and we put overlay, and then we put overlay, and then we go like this, and then we dab this, and we do this, and now it reloads, and now we refresh this page, and so it's like this. And so now when we go here and we click plus, boom. Focused. Can I telnet in to follow the score? We have some ideas for some good stuff. 10K requests from a single connection should not even be hard, even though polling is slow. Yeah, it's okay. We're only going to do one. We're only going to do 10 seconds. I always wanted to learn Laravel. Feels so comforting. Glad you're doing it live. I am. Did you have to get another... Unhappy, did you get another Twitch thing? Whatever. Focus. This would cost 60K on the triangle thing. It's like, isn't that not the same name as last time? Oh, that's funny. Okay. All right, so now we just changed this. Now we have this page. Instead of calling this counter, we're going to call this broadcaster, right? We're going to change this to be called counter PHP. We're just going to go to here. We're going to call this broadcaster PHP like this. Yes. We go back to here. We go, instead of this, we'll call it broadcaster. Maybe I shouldn't call it that. Maybe we should call it something else. Now that I think of it, let's not call it broadcaster. Let's call it, we'll call it BeganBot because he's going to be running it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we'll call it BeganBot. And then we'll call this BeganBot. And then now we can go back to router. And we'll say BeganBot. And then we can get rid of... Oh, we do still want overlay. Oh, no. Whoops. This one is BeganBot. And then we can call this one BeganBot. Where is Began at? He's going to be at Laracon with us. He's going to be at Laracon with us. He's going to be at Laracon with us. Oh my goodness. According through the night. This is gonna bop.
Coding through the night. His white paper's tight, ready to unite. Haskell conference, the perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline. Pig's heart sinks, motion start to fray.
Oh, this song is so good, Pick. It's a little sad that it was made by AI. You know what I mean? Yo, Roger, thanks for the sub. We need a drop, I know. Footsie? Justice for Pick. There is no justice. Exactly. Rhymes about where the girl runs a lot. Forrest Gump? Bash, would you believe this song is AI generated? Pick's back! Look out! Bash, how jealous are you that Prime and me and Adam and Dax are all gonna hang out with Vegan in Dallas? You should have just come to Laracon. Run, Lola, run. I don't know. I don't think I know the movie, Bash. Just there's still time.
Recursive, like,
Bash, what are they gonna do? They're gonna turn you away if you show up. You know what I mean? Bash will just say you're part of the squad. Would you like a job? Bash, you could be our strategic analyst for the basketball team. Assistant coach. Will, are you still here? Will King, do we need an assistant coach? Oh, our GM. There, it's problem solved. Well, did you guys see? We really David really made a LinkedIn post for our head basketball coach. That's how Will got the job. Will sent in a resume. Will, hit him with a link. How many applicants? We actually had quite a few. This is not photoshopped. Chat, come on. This job is no longer accepting applications. Oh, man. So good. What up, Razzo? So yeah, Adam probably applied asking for a promotion. I missed the deadline. Is an actual job or just troll? Well, like, we needed someone to be the head coach for Monday. We're not paying anybody, but you know, like, all right. So what do we need here? We need something like paid in coffee. Yes, right. We'll give Will a free artisan bag because we did make a new blend for Laricon. All right. So the next thing we need to do now is we need to make, we need to basically make not just count. That's not good. We need public terminal. Oh no, actually we need to do everything here needs to be like, wait, can I buy some coffee not in the terminal? I can buy some coffee not in the terminal. If you're at the conference, yes, but otherwise no. It's exclusive. Just sent you X Twitter DM. Nice. I'll check it right now. Oh yeah, this one. This was the best one. Oops. That's all we needed to know. That's all we needed to know. Right here. You know, that's all it takes. You got to shoot your shot, as they say. As they say, you got to shoot your shot. Okay, so we need to make... Where can I put just regular functions for this, right? App, models, providers. I just want to put, like, regular functions. If I show up, do you think they'll let me in? Bash, if you're serious, I bet we could get you in. You could just be on the team. You just have to help us sell coffee, you know, and do interviews with people. Hi, everybody. It's me, Bash here. I was just wondering, what do you think of Elm? And just try and convince everybody that, like, Elm should get deeply integrated into PHP. And, like, that's all we need, you know? I can sell coffee. Exactly. If I drive up, can I be on the team? Do you even need a model? No, I don't. I just wanted functions. I just want, like, is there, like, a good spot that people put functions? It's an artisanal blend. It is. We custom blended this blend. Sugandhi sweeter. Oh, man. I just don't know, like, where I'm supposed to put these. Does that make sense? Like, it doesn't super matter. If you were just going to put a bunch of functions somewhere, where would you put it? Resources? No. Route? No. Storage? No. Tests? No. Vendor? No. Config? Just an app? Can I just go app and then I can do scores.php like this? And then I can say public class stores. Well, I got to do the, like, question mark PHP business here, right? Unexpected. We're calling this vegan bot one here, right? So we'll say class vegan bot. So we can say public function terminal score. Return cache. Get terminal score. Right? Okay, how do I change it so that I get the other kind of highlights? Or the other, how can I get it so that it does this instead? Where can I, what config do I set for this? Namespace is mandatory. Namespace app/scores. Just app. Namespace app. Got it. How do I make it do this for auto format? Terminal, Laracon. Static. We can just say private. Do I say private?
Made it properly tail recursive.
Terminal.
Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Laracon. Laracons. Lambo incoming? I hope so. Laracon score. Maybe we can say term and Laravel. LRC, LaravelCon. What should we do for the letters for Laracon? You know what I mean, chat? Term and term. It's got to be Laravel. LAR, maybe? I think they're LAR. Laracon, that seems good.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Unhappy. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Unhappy. That's really nice of you. Losers works fine. That's kind of what I was thinking as well. But we won't do that. I think Amazon ran out of ads. Just got the same one 3 times. Laracon doors. Okay, so now we've got terminal score. Now we can do public function increment terminal score by count, like this, right? Larvacon. What's the purpose of the overlay? Single page shows some basketball stuff, updates dynamically. No, hit bang today in chat and then you'll know. Larryville. Cache. Increment. Can increment do by a value? Ooh, baby. Laravel score. Oh, Laracon. I need to say Laracon every time because otherwise I'll get confused. PHP will also work for football. I think it probably would, yeah. Why PHP? Because it's for Laracon! I'm actually considering this. Bash, your biggest problem, honestly, if you were thinking about coming, I mean, besides the fact that it's this Sunday, would be you would need to find somewhere to sleep. We're going to be there Sunday through Thursday. And the game is on Monday. But what hotel? At the conference one. But I don't think there's any rooms left. The basketball is on Monday. That's when we're playing. Bash, the memes that we've been tweeting, like this is not a meme. We are really playing a 5v5 basketball game versus the Laracon organizers. This pick is real. This is exactly what Dax looks like in real life. That pick is real, and the whole thing is real. We're gonna stream 5v5's game. No rooms left, even the Sugandi suite. Bash, did you see me roasting Adam yet or no? Because I feel like... Are you gonna win? I have no idea. Dax is jacked. This is a real picture. You can tell it's not photoshopped because the lighting's the same. See how it's bright on this side and dark on Dax's face? Okay, well, we're playing a real basketball game. Sponsored by Sentry. With Laravel and Terminal. So I can make it to the basketball game? Yes! That looks fake. No. It's real. It's real. So, like, it's really happening. We're playing basketball for real. But the thing that... I thought you would probably like, Bash, is this one. Dang, there's not another room available at the hotel. So Adam says snuggle time. So I said, Adam, I thought you mentioned something about the Sugandi's suite. Sorry, what now? Sugandi's suite? We got him! Oh, man. Man. We got him so good. He was not prepared for that at all. He was not prepared for that at all. Psychops gang, what's up? All right. Okay, so now we have a way to easily increment these and get the scores, right? So now we can go for BeganBot. We're going to say we want to do it. How can I pass? Do I need to make separate functions for everything, or for wire click, can I pass data as well? Wire click. Is there like a way to pass variables to this? Can I say like 5? Does that make sense? Is that PHP? Oh, it's PHP. This game needs to be an HBO pay-per-view event. Wire click, type button, wire click, wire.refresh. Alpine JAS, wire confirm, wire click. Listening for specific keys. Wire click, increment 5. Okay. So we can try this. We can say plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. And we can do, you're saying just 1, 2, and 3 like this. Right? And then we can have something like value. Right? And then we don't need count anymore. We can just say this count is I called this stores, but this needs to be scores. That would have been dumb. Scores terminal score like this, right? We don't need this anymore. Oh, these all need to be static, I think. Does static go at the beginning? So then this is like self term like this, right? Yep. Boop, boop, ba-doop, beep. Static, static, static. Okay. Self term. Self lar. Oops. Self lar. Okay. Scores, terminal score. Yeah. And then this should be, instead of this, it would be, oh, we do scores. Increment terminal score. Yeah. And then this is scores, increment terminal, whoops. -1. Boom. And then reset count. We'll do this one shortly. So now if I refresh this page, total counts. Whoops. Total. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Okay, nice. Oh yeah. This one doesn't exist anymore. Nice. 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 2 0 0 0 1 3 3 3 3 3. Very cool. Nice. Okay, that's great. You love PHP? It's actually pretty good. Yeah. What about the FIBA new rule? 4-point zone? Is there actually a 4-point zone? Why even have a class, not just functions in the namespace? I don't know. Probably could just do it that way. Win. But would have to get included manually in composer JSON to get loaded. Oh, really? I don't have any. I'm not a PHP wizard, Chad. Okay. I've written like a few weeks of PHP about 6 months ago and then haven't written any more. But it's all coming back to me, Chad. It's all coming back to me. I just got to work and I see you do PHP and it's payday. What a day to be alive. Yeah, well, the reason we're doing PHP is because we're going to Laracon, so we're going to build this. Wouldn't be in the class loader. That makes sense. That makes sense, Wind, yeah. Okay, so those are all good. So that's fine. So now we need to go to overlay, right? And now instead of doing this, we're going to say terminal score, right? And we can say scores, boom. But this needs to be added here. Use app scores, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now we refresh overlay. We don't have total count. Of course we don't have total count. This is not total count. This is terminal score, right? So this is terminal score. We could say term. Now we go and refresh this page. Oh, we should probably put like a space or something there. Refresh this. There we go. Beep, 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 beep. Nice. This else, I think the LSP is pretty good. IntelliFence one, yeah. Is this going to be a TTV overlay? No. It's going to make a browser overlay. So basically, the plan is we're going to have an overlay that goes in OBS, and then we're going to have one page here that controls everything, right? So this is going to be pretty simple. We'll do terminal score. And we'll do Laracon score like this, right? We go here and we'll say LAR, right? Like this. And so now we go back to here. And then this needs to be, we go back to our Began bot page, because Began is the one that's doing this. And so this is going to be terminal increment. Terminal decrement. We don't need this function right now. And we can just do terminal score is terminal score. And then we'll go Laracon score is a Laracon score like this. Yep. So then we do terminal score. I know that I'm like repeating stuff, chat. I don't care. We're going to use this for one day and then we're going to be done, right? All right, so now we go here and we go to here and we say Laracon, and then we do the same thing here, change LD, Laracon, and we'll do increment instead of terminal. We'll say Laracon. We'll do the same thing here, do that, okay. And so now we say increment terminal, and terminal. We'll yoink all of these. We'll put this inside of one div here. Div like this, and div, and div. Oops. And then these need to do terminal Laracon. All right, cool. Now we refresh this page and we refresh this page. Do ++. Public increment terminal. What did I call it instead? Oh, I called it increment terminal score. And I called it completely the wrong thing anyways. Terminal increment. Okay. Terminal increment. We'll just change this. Which way is easier? We'll do this one. Increment. I should just say increment terminal. And then increment or decrement terminal. Increment Laracon and decrement Laracon. There we go. Okay, so we'll refresh this. +3, minus, 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 +3, +3, minus, 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 +3, +3. There you go. I don't remember. What is do repeat yourself? Yeah. Tasty, sweaty, cool. Right? And then look, see how this page? This one updates too. I didn't change the right thing for this yet, but that's fine. Because when we go back to here, we go to this and we'll say terminal score, we'll say Laracon score. Like this. Refresh the page. Now it's this. +3, +3. Updates. 10 out of 10 would click buttons. Boom. Fennec, consider a dehumidifier. That could help you out. All right. So that's everything we need. This page does not need to be pretty, right? This page does not need to be pretty. Can you see yourself leaving PHP through this? No way, right? Unironically, I like Laravel. I've got one. He's called Prime. Really? Okay. So now we've got this overlay running, right? And what do we need to do now? We need to go, what an overlay. We need to start making this situation happen. Does anyone know if I absolutely position something and I go to 50%, does it still put them in exactly the same pixel spot? Or like, are the pixels half sized? So if I go like way down to 25%, this is half of my 4K string, so half and half. Will this go here? Right, so now it's time for HTML. You know what I mean, chat? Because basically what I want to do, it's relative to the parent. I'm going to do absolute positioning. Right, I don't really know. We can just test this out, right? So we can go style. What's the easiest way to do this? Can I do a style tag like this? Style. And then go like dot terminal score. And then say position, absolute, and top. So like we'll say 500. I don't know. Left 500. And then can I go class equals terminal score? Wait, this is class or ID? Whoops, this is ID, right? I want to do it this way, I think. Maybe just plot that style element inside the div. Might just work. Or wait, did I do class? It was a class, but now it's an ID, right? Did I get my style thing or no? It doesn't look like I got my style. Yo, Caleb, maybe just plot that style element inside the div. I should probably listen to whatever Caleb says. What do you guys think? Should I listen to what Caleb says? I don't know. Maybe. Position absolute top 500 picks. Okay. Ignore rest of chat. Chat, shut your mouths. Chat, shut your mouths. Okay? Let Caleb talk. My style disappeared. Maybe I just can't do this? Like this? What? What are you saying? I got it now. I got it. Wait, I'm editing the wrong page, chat. I'm editing the wrong page. Classic chat. It's like you guys don't know anything. Dang it, chat. Why are you guys even here? Oh, man. I even told you. Okay, so look. So here's term. Which way is this going, though? Did I get my... I do have my style right here, but maybe I should put the style somewhere else. Also, we can change this to like 10 right now. It doesn't really matter. The amount of H1 is killing me. Don't worry. Relax. Okay, so it's not doing... Oh, do I need to say something about this one being style, position, absolute, or something like this? Does the parent have to be that as well? Put it in your pocket, in your back pocket. Put it in your pocket, in your back pocket. Whoa. Oh, does it not? It should just be this. I thought it was the same. Oh, you're right. Good call, chat. If you don't know something, just read documentation. That's generally my idea. Some markup for this layout. Oh. Now we're talking, chat. Now we're talking. Let's see it. Where is it? Here. What? There's like nothing in this one. Or did I do something wrong? What are you saying? I just meant the markup. I can write CSS too. No, I'm gonna figure it out. Just wait. I'm gonna do it. Okay, just relax. Okay, so is this okay? Nice. So it does scale. right? So see how it's moving, it's scaling, right? So that's good. That's good. That means we can set everything based on what we want it to be in 1080p, but I can have it be small so we can still test it out here. Okay, that's good. Because look, now we can still press the buttons and then this will change, I think. Maybe. Is something wrong? I thought this was going to change. Hello? Oh, what did I change the poll to? 1000 milliseconds? Shouldn't that still work? Why is it not polling, chat? What's going on? Oh, does this need to be beforehand like this? Maybe it needs to go last. Laravel being sporty? Never thought I'd see the day. Oh, it's going to be sporty. Maybe this needs to be inside of this. I have it on 100 now. Maybe it can't. Maybe it's getting it messed up because of the ID. Right, but okay, so then I do this, right? Should it not? Terminal score. Vegan bot, terminal score. Terminal score, scores, terminal score. Click the other button. Oh, so something going wrong on this page completely? When I refresh the page, it works. Did something go wrong with this? There need to be properties on the LiveWire component. Div, wire, poll, one. Why is this not? Why wouldn't this work? Should only have one parent element. LiveWire component should only have one parent element. Really? Just a singular wire. Oh, that's really smart. That's really smart. Okay. Caleb, you're really smart. Caleb, you need to spam more. Okay? Caleb? You're going to get permabanned if you don't spam. Okay? Okay? You're going to get permabanned if you don't spam. Do you understand? 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Doesn't seem like it's working. Network. Not seeing anything. Timed him out. Not. Lack of spam. Maybe this style destroys it.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
We'll put the style inside of here and see if this is fine. 3. There we go. Okay.
How would you say your mental focus
Oh, it's
is?
focused.
Oh, it's focused.
Gotta watch a 2-minute ad real quick.
How would you say your mental focus
real quick.
is? Oh, it's focused.
Now this is spam. This is the level of attention that I want.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Okay, Caleb?
Oh,
this
it's
level
focused.
right here. This is how much of my attention you should be taking. Okay? That's how much. Caleb, are you going to be at Laracon? I'm assuming yes, right? You're speaking, aren't you? Laracon. Wow. Caleb, we'll get to hang out. Are you going to be there for the basketball game? Don't tell me you're playing against us. I don't want to have to lose. Win against you. All right. Who is Nightshade Dude? It's a question he asks every day. Yeah. That's funny. Okay. Div ID is Laracon score. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Div. Great. Okay. So now we can go here. We do this. We say Laracon score. We put this here. We go Laracon score. We go top 500. Left. 600 picks. Boom. Now it should be next to it. We refresh the page. Look at it, chat. Look at it. And we don't need this to be... we can just go back to like once a second. That's all we need. We don't need to spam right now. Can't go. We'll be working on it. Nice, Jeremy. OCaml is actually my favorite. Big brains. And also, thank you, Brainy Biomech. Do you plan to set up NVIM DApp and PHP unit for this? Unit tests? My PHP code? You've got to be joking. In my PHP code? Amazon, seriously, you need to find more ads than this one World Cup ad. Unit D's. What? I'm convinced Twitch sends the worst ads to try and convince you to buy Turbo. They actually don't get paid for running ads. It's just a scam to get you to buy Turbo. That's what I'm currently thinking. Okay. So now I think we're pretty much done. I'll just send this to the team. At David. Almost done. Should I DM the organizers? I'm so serious. Bash, if you're really serious, we can ask if we can add you to our team and you can come with us. I'm not joking. You can come hang out with us. It would be super fun. Bash, we have so many funny things that we're going to do too. Bash, let me check your DM. Oh, you're here right now. Okay, nice. I'll send you a few things right now, Bash. Here. Just that all by itself. Bash, check your DM right now. Will Turbo make a pre-ground iced blend? I don't know. That could be kind of fun. For the right idea, it would be pretty funny.
Recursion. It's a difficult topic, but I think I finally have the best definition.
Yeah. Right, Bash? I'm serious. We can ask. We can ask right now to get you in. I'll ask right now. Yo, at Dax / at Adam. Dave. All right, I'm asking. Yeah. I'm serious. Actually, it would be really funny. Rust plus TS plus Charm plus Laravel plus Twitch plus basketball plus coffee. The tech crossover event of the decade. Exactly. We'll see. Because I think we can, like, I think there's probably room for us that we could have you join the squad and do some stuff with us. Learning C for system programming, best resource or roadmap? Beej's guide is pretty good. Bash, do you have any good charm swag that we can have? Same code pen. Paste it again, Wind. Music playlist is mostly just Monster Cat. Monster Cat chill. I have tons of stickers. All right. Okay, see, it's not fair that you guys can write it this fast, okay? That's not fair. That's not very fair, okay? Does anyone have a blade formatter? Is there a blade formatter? Hit me with something that can format these. Or do I just LSP ooh, okay. Mason. Blade formatter. Boom, hit it with the install. Is it an LSP? They're better at scoring bugs than they are getting users? What the heck? Kind of. You know that we made these. I'm gonna say that. Hey Taylor, I think you're getting terminal.shop confused with at SST Dev. Is it SST Dev? I know we share some of the same interns. Just letting you know in case. Just letting you know, since that seems like the most reasonable explanation. Bash, do you want to play basketball? We may have a spare uniform. Vim Inspector turns a string. Five these 6v5. No, as in a sub. Yeah, no. This is so good. I'll be sub plus coach plus CEO. Okay. Oh, this one's so good. All right. All right, Bash. It might happen. Okay, it might happen. I'm feeling Bash Bunny is a basketball black belt. What if she has just been secretly preparing this whole time and she's trolling me? You know? Okay, so for Blade Formatter, do I need to have that as an LSP? Blade Formatter, Mason, Neovim. I should have been training. I know. Oh, or can I do it with Conform? Blade Formatter. Okay, nice. LSP, Conform, Blade Formatter. Is it like this or underscore? Probably Blade dash Formatter. Okay, that should work, right? We'll restart this. Blade. Let's try this one. Oh, nice. Beautiful. As an LSP fallback. Okay. Okay, gotta go finish Flux. Okay, nice. That sounds good. See you, Caleb. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you soon, actually. Caleb has been since day one. Yeah, Caleb's very cool. Okay, so now we've got this going. We've got this. Where did this go? Okay, so we'll take this and we'll put this over here. Class, app, that makes sense. ID, cam 1, cam 2, video, class, score. Okay. So then I can put these inside of here, I think. Something like this. Something along these lines. Okay, so now we go to here. Okay, so now we'll need to fix these, but that's fine. Ads go here. That's where they go. Well, what else would it be? Why not Tailwind? I don't need Tailwind, chat. I'm going to absolutely position these on a 1920 by 1080p. Sorry, chat. I'm messaging about some other stuff. Failwind is a real thing. Oh yeah, Failwind is real. Right, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna absolutely position everything. So we don't want any 100%, right? So this is gonna be height 1080 pix, width is 1920 pix. We're gonna make it exactly the right thing, right? So then we go height app 1920. No, 1080. This is throwing me off that these ones are backwards. 1920 pix. Width 1920 height. Yeah. Okay. Whoops. That's not the one I want. Okay. Nice. See, look at this, chat. We're already so far here. We can turn off Dark Reader. Look, chat. We're so close. I just like Tailwind for reasons. Yeah. I've done narrowcasting screen release. Aspect ratio is always 16:9. So peak performance. Yep. Why not adapting to the screen size? Because it's an OBS overlay. So we need it to be like 50% right now, because that's where it's gonna be. That should be like, I can do half my screen. Okay. All right, so let's go here. Let's go back to here. Background, this, main, padding, blah, 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 blah. We probably don't want any... Well, maybe we do. I don't know. We'll see. Aside, fixed bar, 300 pix. Yeah, well, this seems pretty good. Pretty good. Copy, pasting CSS from the web. Ugly. We don't need paragraph. What stack is this? Laravel. All right, so we have the two scores. The scores probably now don't need to be absolutely positioned themselves. We'll position everything else with them, right? So we can probably just delete this, honestly. Because these should hopefully show up now somewhere else, right? Nice, there we go. Okay, cool. So, yeah, so for right now, we can keep this kind of here. Right? So now we need to start making smaller blocks for these. CSS Alpine, Livewire, Larryville stack. Okay. We should redo it in Bash stack. That makes sense. That does make sense. All right, so the cams, this is fine. This is all we really need. I keep going to the wrong thing. This is all we need for the cams. We might make them a little taller. Probably will make them a little taller. Cam and cam 1 and cam 2. Oh, interesting. Okay, we don't do anything with those yet. Border ratio 16:9. Oh, I see. So this makes... Oh, we probably want it to be more like 9:16. Because they'll both have just their video. But that's too big then. So we need to make this less wide. So 300 pix here. We can maybe go 200. 200. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Now we're talking, chat. Also added score UI. All right, we'll check. Ooh, nice. Okay, that looks good. Chat, I'm supposed to be doing this. I'm supposed to be doing this. All right, let's see what it says, though. Score. This is even better than Copilot. True, I have Chat Pilot. Do I need both of these? Do you have both of these? Score? You have 2 scores. Okay, interesting. All right, sweet. So that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. So then what did you do down here? Team, score, term. Okay, nice. I got you. Sorry. All right, sorry. Okay, we're back. Yeah. Yep. So, no worries, Bash. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Okay, so this is looking good. So then what did you do here? You took this, and then you're saying here where we had scores, we can do this. And so then this is terminal score, and then this is Laracon score, like this, and then this would be LAR. So when we refresh this page, ooh, that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good, chat. Okay, now I need the full null star logo. David, do you have the null star logo as a separate pick? Moment in professional communication skills brought to you by TJ DeVries. Schlick. Okay. That looks good. So I need to get, are you ready for some space time? Yeah, either way, it's all good. Yeah. No. It's, people are excited. It's more just a lot of moving pieces to see if it's possible to happen, you know? Okay, Dax didn't see what I replied though. Give me Ligma. Music playlist he's using. Good stuff. Nice. Stream overlay. Yep, we're making a stream overlay for the basketball game. That's correct. All right, so beautiful. I've got an all-star logo, SVG. Yes, wonderful. So now we need to go move downloads null star logo to. Do I put this in like public? Does it just go in public? Where do I put resources? No, it probably just goes in public. Can I just do change the background black for the score to background linear gradient? Ooh, okay. Score background. You're saying right here, go like this. Public/img, okay. Make your img. Move null star logo to img. Okay. So then I want to be able to do, can I just go class logo, and then can I go img? Source is /img/null null star logo dot svg. Can I just self close this? That didn't seem to work.
How would you say your
Public
mental focus
anything.
is?
Public.
Oh, it's
Okay.
focused.
Like this?
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, wait, no.
Oh,
It
it's
was right the
focused.
first time. It was right the first time? Okay, now it's right. Yeah. Okay, but we need to make this not run everything over. Yeah, it's good. It's good. We're so focused. We're so focused. I don't know if we'll do the gradient or not, but we'll see. Background black. We'll keep it black for a sec so I can see what's going on here. Right? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we need to make this. Do we want to just do just the guy sitting? Or we just make this wider. Socials. No, basketball graphics. Where is our... I don't know which one has all of the... Is there like a null star one all by itself? Because I could also cut this. Oh boy, that's a lot of stuff in there. Basketball graphics. These are the only ones that we've got. Okay. Oops. I clicked the wrong thing. I think it's the only stuff. Okay. That's okay though. I think that this probably looks good this way. So we'll see. We'll just probably make this a little wider, I think is better. I think that's probably a better option. Okay, so I think, chat, what we need to do now. Yep. I think what we need to do now is so we can make the score wider, right? That's the first thing. First, I'm also going to just take this and I'm going to put this here so that I can stop getting so confused. So when we have our score, width 500, right? Nice. There we go. Right, so something like this. I don't know if that's perfectly centered or not. We'll have to sort that out later, but that's okay. I bought 1 year sub boot devil's growth. Let's go. Nice. It's automatically centered. Okay. I meant like it, but it does seem right. Can we do, chat, something more like where the logo? Let's do something where the logo is bigger.
Like,
can we have the logo? So
actually
instead
my
of
favorite.
this, where's my Excali draw? I want to do something more like this. Like the logo is this big, and then the scores look this like this behind it. You guys know what I'm saying? So this overflows. This would be like, you know, filled completely. What up, Maniac? You guys know what I'm saying? I think that looks cool, right? When the logo's like a little taller. Because right now we have score, team score. So that would go with logo, but it'll make it really wide. Yeah. It's okay. I think it's fine because it's like, we'll make it wide, but we're going to make this part thinner, right? You know what I'm saying? Set width to the logo, make position relative, then get absolute and size the way you want. Set width to the logo div, make its position relative, then make the image absolute and size as you want. For real, cuz for real. Okay, so right, because what I want to do is instead of doing it this tall, right, where we go to score, I want to say height is more like, you know, 50 pixels or something like this, right? So this should make this shorter, right? But I think, oh, interesting. That's cool. But then I want to make this overflow. I want to make this one overflow. We could probably even make this shorter, 40. Right? And then I want to put, I don't know, but I don't know what I need to do for that. Oh, that's probably because this can't get any smaller. How do I do that? Found you from your YouTube vids on Mims' live b-ball scores. On Monday, me, the Primogen, Dax, Adam, David, and a few other people are going to be playing basketball against the Laracon team. So M transform scale 1.5. I don't know this. I don't think that's going to do anything right now, right? Because it's getting clamped by the size of this. Make score position relative and then make the logo position absolute. Okay. Score position relative. I think this will put it way up here, right? Okay. And then logo position. Oops. We'll go back to score here. Logo position absolute. Missed the transform part. Oh, did I do it wrong? Top 100 picks or something like this. This shouldn't make it move, right? Left, 0 picks. Okay, so this just puts it like oh, okay, nice.
Entertainment.
This puts it absolute, and it's relative to this. That's relative to this. Nice. Okay. I'm with you. We want to say left. Can we say 50%? No, that's not gonna be right. Go flex. Chat, I don't know anything about CSS. Okay. I don't know anything about CSS. You can't just say go flex and then expect that to mean something to me. All right, I don't know what that means. Score should remain absolute and logo is relative, image is absolute. Got it. Okay, let's just undo everything we did for the last view here. Transform this. Go flex. Thanks, Nightshade. Okay, nice. There we go. This looks better. This looks better. Okay, nice. So now we can go where we had score here. Let's also go dot logo. We can say background black like this, right? Okay, so now we should get a black background around the logo. Perfect. I'd help, but I only know Tailwind. Classic Twitch chat when I try to write vanilla CSS. Thanks. Display flex. True.
No, it's just Chuck Testa.
Border radius 10 pixels. Border radius 10 pixels. I don't know what this does. Okay, nice. Ooh. Okay, so I don't want the transform, I don't think. I think I don't want to do this. Let's try this again. Oh. Now we're talking. Yes. What's up, Shrey? We're cooking. Height. Video. That one's fine. Marquee. No score. No. Wait, which one? Okay, here. What if we do 10 picks? There's no way this is going to work, though, right? Because this will be too short. Ooh. I'm a web developer, chat. I'm a web developer. Developers. Call me Spider-Man because I develop on these webs. Let's go. Whoops. So you're not embarrassed calling yourself a web dev? Not when I get to say I'm Spider-Man. What are you making? Can't you tell? Boom. You just write what you want to write. Bottom -1, -50 picks. Interesting. Okay, so that 20. Let's change this to 20. Why basketball? Because on Monday. Welcome to Terminal Basketball. Me, the Primogen, Dax, Adam, will be facing off to the Laricon team. Monday. Most sane front ends is 2012. Exactly. That sounds more like a fight than a basketball game. We'll just have to see what happens. We'll just have to see what happens. What are you making? We need an overlay because it's going to be live streamed. It's going to be live streamed. Here's Scott. Here's Wes. Verbin.
Monday! I think actually what it needs is more.
That did not sound good. I don't know what just happened. You're liking front end dev. Admit it. I do padding 10, 20. Okay, padding on team 10, 20. Oh, yeah. Nice. That's looking good. Chat. That's looking good. Levels looking mad different today. Prime going to be live also? Is that the day I have to mod for him? Prime is going to be we're streaming 2 Primes stream, Nightshade. What if you use V0 to generate this for you? We could. Is that why did he specifically say he needed someone? I don't want to be a real mod. You guys all work together? We do. We make a coffee company together. You can buy this coffee and the special artisan blend, only available for a limited amount of time. For those PHP enjoyers, you can buy your coffee right here. Dot score width is too short to fit new elements. Maybe it is. It will be off center. Just FYI. Okay, we'll see. Wait, this is serious. No, still just US. Shipping things across the world is crazy. All right, let's see. Person 1, person 2. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Object looks like someone messed up writing the server code. That is indeed the joke. Brazil when? I think so we're still trying to sort out a bunch of stuff in the US. Basically, once we sort those out, then we will try and find some roasters in other countries and then do that basically. Check. This one, that's the one I'm looking at. That's the one I'm looking at right here. Open source chat development, exactly. We're looking at it right now. Boom, 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 boom. I like it. It looks pretty good. Don't I basically have this? Though? What do I need to change? We're pretty much there, right? Is this not basically the same? What am I missing that's different so far? It's basically the same. I'm not gonna copy paste anymore in chat because otherwise it's gonna throw me off big time. Okay? Right, so we're gonna focus on this version and then we'll iterate on it, okay? Okay, so the next thing we need to do is you're missing sane proportions. What do you mean? Why message so delayed? I don't know. Text below the box at the left. I was thinking maybe putting them right inside the box. I was thinking about putting them right here. So let's see if I can figure this out myself, okay? Let's see if I can figure this out myself. We've got cam 1, cam 2, and then we've got div. We can say class is name, cam name, and let's say Scott. Actually, we should probably put Scott's whole. We probably should put both of their. Well, maybe we should put their Twitter handles. Scott, what's his last name? Get Sentry. I think they tagged him here. West Boss and that's why it was far. It was far away. So we can say like this. At West Boss. And cam name. Oops. Stilinski, yeah. Is the layout only displayed on your machine? Yes. It's only going to be displayed on my machine on exactly 1920 by 1080 canvas. on exactly that canvas only. That's all we need. We need nothing else, right? So these don't look good. That's fine. Because we're going to make them look good. So now we go to, what did I call this again? Cam name. So we have .cam, right? So now we need to do .cam name. Boom, 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 boom. We can do background. We can say black again for now. That's fine. We'll sort this out later. Position, absolute. And then we say top is -20. And we say left 50%. Does that actually centered though? Or is that like... Doesn't this do it from its parent or no? Do I need to say -20? Ooh, -20 picks. Thank you. Are you taking your setup to Laravel? No, it's going to be exactly this ratio though. It's fine. Oh, they're right here. That's not... I need to say... Oh, do I not say this? Do I say relative instead? Will this make it... This makes it relative to these? Got it. Got it. We want relative to parent, right? That makes sense. Okay, so I say top, this should be like 95% or something like this, right? Like this. Nice. And then I want to say justify or something like this. Justify self center. It's probably not that, but okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Justify works in Flexbox only. Okay, nice. Text align. Center, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. So then there we go. Nice. So now we want to float this up a little bit higher, like 85%. Cam overflow hidden. Okay, nice. Maybe a little lower than that. 90%. Overflow hidden. I don't know what that's going to do for this though. So then we want to make this a little bit more like circle-y, like this, right? You know what I mean? Cut the corners, add some nice box shadow, right? So can I do, how can I change the width to be like 50%? But more like 30% probably. Border bottom left radius, border radius, 50%, something like this. Add some more divs. Ooh, nice. There we go. That's not what I'm looking for. What do you think? CSS developer. Do 99999999999 picks. Okay, so this makes sense. Width. Oh, we want to say left. I don't know how to say this. 25%. This will put it left 25%. But then I don't want the width to be here. Width.
How would you say your mental focus is?
50%. Something like this.
Oh, it's focused.
Because then it'll be 25, 25, 25. Nice. Height. 15 picks. I don't know. Yeah, that's not looking too bad. Okay. Use padding instead of height. Okay. Padding. 10 picks. Ooh, okay, nice. Width 100 picks. Margin auto. Margin auto. Interesting. I don't know what margin auto does. That's not what we want for sure. That's for sure not what we want. For sure not what we want. I don't think we want that. We might have an easier time with Flexbox to center. Well, this looks pretty good. Don't you think? We just need to say width. Top is 85% instead. Puts the box in the middle. This looks good. Look at this, chat. Looks good. We just need to pick a better font. Flexbox is moving based on the width. It's not centered. Oh, you're right. It's totally not centered. Totally not centered. Too much margin. Too much padding. 0 picks. 10 picks. Other way around. X and Y. Font family enter. Padding's inside the box. Margin is outside. Justify content. Left 50%. Transform, translate X minus 50 to center. Okay. I'm with you. Oh, that totally makes sense. Left 50%. I got you. Transform. I'm following. Translate X 50%. Minus. So put it at the left. Move it 50% to the left of the size. I got it. I'm with you now. Remove padding for a sec. I'm with you. Okay, nice. Yep. Okay, I'm with you now. I'm following. Okay, nice. That looks pretty good, chat. That looks pretty good. Can you make cam display flex direction, column justify, column flex end? I probably could. But this looks amazing. This already looks amazing now. So definitely be a whole lot easier with Flexbox. Wrong. Because I already put this one in, so now it's done. So now who's dumb? You should do a Flex layout course sometime. Probably, yeah. This will work on IE6. Also, you should really space the boxes equally. The vertical gutter is different for the horizontal one. Looks like crap. You font family the body to fix the whole UI. Nice, chat, nice. But you don't have IE6. Who says? Who says, chat? Schmort. We're getting closer. It doesn't matter what layout mode you use as long as it looks the way you want. I know. Yeah, it's okay. This is for a one-time thing only on Monday, chat. You gotta accept this criteria. You're wrong. Font weight, 600. Font weight, 600. Sure, we'll try it. Ooh, nice. Much better. No, not on body. Just on cam name. I got you. Worst part of this 4 was Ender that renders Outlook 2010. That's pretty funny. It only needs to work on the VC's MacBook. Exactly. The venture capitalist MacBook. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Let's try and do... box shadow on cam box. Box shadow? I don't know what this does. Cam name even. Oh, I meant cam name. Here. We'll play around with this one here. You guys can tell me what to put here and we'll try it out. Box shadow. What can I put? Aqua? How do I do box shadow? MDN. Ooh, okay. I'm with you. I'm following. Am I allowed to share links? Of course, chat. Box shadow 10 black or red will do for right now. Is that not 10 picks red? Boom. Why is that not saving? Box shadows examples. Ooh. Oh, not enough. Pick a good one. Ooh, I like this one. So far. This one looks pretty good too. This one looks good. I like this one the best so far. We'll try this. Let's see what it says. How do I delete this? We'll just get rid of this part. What's going on? Put in your code. Well, yeah, I just wanted to play around with the numbers without refreshing every time. I can't see anything. Can't tell the difference at all. Oh, maybe I was on the wrong element. Oh, there we go. Why can't I see this? Try to remove the overflow hidden. Okay. We'll put this in. We'll put it in. Wait, that's on... Oh, that's on cam. Okay, nice. Well, that's fine. That I kind of like that this has got a little bit of feeling now here. That's good. And then we can also put this on cam name. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now let's do some example pictures. We'll save this image. Scott test. Okay. So we can get a feel for what it looks like. Yeah. Don't worry, chat. We're gonna add classes. We're gonna remake Bootstrap. Don't worry. Don't worry. Move downloads. Scott test. Img Scott test. Scott. Or S to lint. There we go, right here. Let's put this here. Let's say img source img Scott test. J. Boom. Okay, let's see if this puts this picture there. Okay, nice. Okay, we'll fix it shortly though. And then this is not such a big deal that it doesn't that it stretches, because it's gonna be fine. This is West test. West test. West test. Move downloads. West test. Img. Boom. Bop. Boom. Okay, so sweet. So now chat, how do I make this absolute on the image? How can I make it so it just like only fills this? They are brothers. Mr. Test and Mr. Test, yeah. Background image on the container. Ooh, nice. Okay. Width of child, 100%. This one. So you're saying style, width, 100%. Height, 100%. Object cover fit. Sure, we'll try that. What's this look like? Ah! Nice. There we go. We got him. We got him, boys. Nice. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat. Well, we're going to delete this when we're done. This is just to get a feel for it. The names got shoved to the bottom. Image position absolute. Did not push the names. Okay. That makes sense. Position absolute. Ah! Think we're good? Graphic design is my passion. I'm something of a web developer myself. Add position relative to .cam. Position relative. Like this, you're saying? It's crazy how like these just literally one line of CSS can completely fix this. You know what I mean? Like just one stupid line of CSS is just like, oh, there you go. It's solved. Classic CSS, dude. Yeah, well, we'll do border radius. Of course, we'll do border radius as well. Border radius. 10 pixels. Relax. It didn't do it. The image needs that too. Now delete all that and just do background dot cam1 background URL img scott or wes test.jpg, and then we go to where we had image here, and then we go here and we just remove this. That doesn't seem like it worked. Background image. Okay. Cam, did I call it cam 1 or cam? Oh, there we go. Cam 1. Cam 1. We called it this. No, we're going to not call it cam 1 like this. We're going to say cam dash 1 because we were doing cam like this. Okay. Nice. There we go. It's a little scuffed. It's a little scuffed. Background size cover. Can't spam. I have no privilege. Hide container overflow. Overflow. Well, we're just deleting this entire part here, right? So we can go cam 1. We should change this to cam wes and cam scott because that would be smart. Scott. Cam dash 1. We'll call this one cam wes. We'll call this one cam scott. Okay. So now when this refreshes, they're in. These don't need to be actually good because we're going to remove this later. Okay? We're going to remove this later. It's fine. These are going to be actual videos. All right? These are going to be actually videos. We're going to change this to be transparent when we're done. Or like green. They're just going to change to be like this. We're going to change from this, okay, to this. Background, green. Okay, and then we're going to green screen filter it out like this. It'll just be green, and then we're going to green screen that out. Okay? That's it. That's all we're going to do. Okay? So that's what we're going to do when we do the actual one. I'm just getting a feel for it, right? So it's okay. These don't have to be that good. Will the shadow mess with the green screen keying? We'll test it out when we're done, but probably not. Because I'll make it, instead of green, it's going to be like this. It's going to be background R G B, like this. And this will be green enough that it's going to be, it'll still do it, right? I don't know. We're going to have to test it out. We'll test out the dimensions. I can always push it a little bit further. We'll have a test call with them later, like off stream. It's fine. We can make these wider very easily. Smart, chat. Smart. So we go like this. You're saying shadow. Helper classes. Right, so wherever we had box, shadow, we'll delete this. Now we go a class. Oh, right. Yeah, sorry. I did ID. I know. Cam. Shadow. Oh, sweet. Thanks, honey. Okay. Looks good. Oh, nice. It's okay. Will you leave the door open for me? And turn that fan on. Toasty down here today. Show food. Some raspberries. And then, looks like barbecue chicken. and some invisible cucumbers. Give Ember... She left. She left at the worst time. She left at the worst time, dude. I know. Ember. She could add cucumbers. Get her back. Amber, want a cucumber?
Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.